Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to Colinas Verdes and here in La Cresta expansion of Colinas Verdes. Itutur po namin kayo dito sa mga
Tama.
property ng Santa Lucia land po kami.
Hi,
Yan.
I'm Chris.
And
I'm Nick.
we are from
OPNC
OPNC.
Digital Sales Consultant.
Good job. Yan guys. Invest na kayo here while mura
Yes.
pa ang mga lupa.
Ngayon, andito po kami. So, maganda po yung panahon ngayon. Nagko-cooperate po yung weather. So, and we have the energy magsa-side tour po sa inyo. So, ngayon, ay hindi naman din. Humble lang din ako. So, ngayon, isa-side tour ka po ni Ate Mera today. So, let's
Ayan.
go.
Let's
Ito
go!
So, andito na po tayo. Papasok na po tayo sa Colinas Verdes. This is along Quirino Highway. So, this is the entrance. Yan. Colinas Verdes is a first-class community. This is 261 hectare subdivision. Developed by Santa Lucia Land Inc. So this is the entrance. Very welcoming ang ambience. Papasok ka dito sa subdivision dahil sa nature feels ng Colinas Verdes. So, dito na po tayo ngayon sa main clubhouse ng Colinas Verdes. As you can see, napakaganda ng kapaligiran. Maganda po dito sa clubhouse kapag mayroon kayong mga celebration, like pwede kayo mag-book dito and makapag-invite kayo ng mga visitors niya dahil yung parking dito is very spacious. Pwede po kayo mag-book dito like wedding, anniversary, dibu, birthday, baptism, and other family get-together. Ito ang lobby. Then, pupunta natin ang swimming pool. Adult and kids swimming pool dito sa clubhouse. Meron din tayong helipad. Yan. Ito, events venue. And meron din tayo dito sa clubhouse ng function hall, dressing room, locker room, jacuzzi, and shower room. Ito naman ang amusement area, meron billiards and bowling alley. Meron din tayong gym. Fountain, then stairs going to third floor to lounge area. So this is the lounge area. And overlooking view from the third floor of the clubhouse. Meron kayong water park pool and sports center, which is merong badminton court, basketball court, and lawn tennis. And kagandahan dito is meron taga-maintain ng landscaping dito sa Colinas, Verdes. This is the beautiful view of La Cresta, expansion of Colinas, Verdes. By the way, minimum cut of lot here in La Cresta and Colinas, Verdes is 150 square meters, and price per square meters for inner lot is 23,500, and for corner lot is 24,000. Did you know that appreciation value of property dito sa Colinas, Verdes is about 7 to 8% annually ang increase ng property dito sa Colinas, Verdes, which is very good investment talaga siya. Manila, the property speaks by itself. So what are you waiting for? The best time to invest is now. So grab your own property here in La Cresta and Colinas, Verdes by Santo Lucia Land Inc. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Inquire today.